Shorty wanna hop up on my wave like Geronimo. Pity pack, pick a pack, falling down like dominoes. Always keep the shine, I ain't talking about the mop and glow. Lights, camera, action.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sonia Lauren, and I am back with another video. So today I am going to be showing you guys something super cool that I figured out maybe a year ago, and I was super mad that I didn't figure it out prior to that because now I use it all the freaking time. So today I'm going to be telling you guys how you can get your teeth whiter, at least in photos. So if you guys are interested, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Come join the fam. We're pretty friendly and lit over here, so you guys won't be disappointed. And as always, give me a big old thumbs up. Okay, so we're just going to get right into it. So first thing I do is I go into Facetune. And I'm actually gonna flip my screen. Okay, so you go into Facetune, and basically we're going to click right here, this camera, and then you want to click open photo. And when you open up photo, you want to choose the photo that you want to make your teeth whiter on. So I think I'm gonna choose this one right here, just because it's the first one that I see. And as you guys can see, if you take a look right here, my teeth look yellow, okay? Like, they look super yellow, and I'm just not having it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You want to go here and click widen, and you want to zoom in. It's super important to zoom in because you want to make sure that you get only your teeth, okay? If you get your lips, it can widen your lips, it can widen your skin. So you want to make sure you zoom all the way in to just get your teeth. And what we're gonna do is just go ahead and start widening, and you guys can already see a difference here. I'll just color in one tooth just so you guys can see the difference. Like, look how much of a difference that made already. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep widening it until I get it where I want it, and just gonna go ahead, keep widening it, keep widening. All right, move the picture over a little, do the next side. Make sure you get all the little nooks and crannies, if that makes sense. I don't even know, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. And boom. So now, if we zoom out, we can see the difference, y'all. Now it look like I just left the dentist, and it looks amazing. So this is a super easy way to whiten your teeth. I will show you guys a before and an after picture, just so you guys can see how this looks. Y'all see? Y'all see? This is before, and this is after. This is before, and this is after. So I hope that you guys were able to find use in this video. I hope that you guys were able to, you know, go crazy, do your thing. So that's pretty much how I whiten my teeth on my pictures. It's super freaking easy, like, y'all, period. Okay, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button. I love you guys so much. Join the fam for more tutorials, and yeah.
Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, That's who I be.